This is your step-by-step tutorial on how to change your filter cartridge, care for the O-ring, and sanitize the housing. You're going to start by getting 2 5-gallon buckets. Fill one with about 1 gallon of clean water. Next, we want to isolate the filter by closing the inlet and outlet valves. Then, to depressurize the unit, you may have one of these pressure relief buttons which you can press. But in my case, I had a hose bib in between the 2 valves, and so I just opened it. You're now ready to unscrew the sump by using the wrench. Use the other bucket to catch any water that may come out. Discard the old filter and the remaining water. Then remove the O-ring. If you can't get it with your fingers, use something thin and carefully remove the O-ring. Pour a few ounces of unscented bleach in your clean water bucket. We'll be using this to disinfect the housing. Fill it about 1/3 full. You can use a rag and just get in there and wipe it, or in extreme cases you can use scour pads, but because I do this every day, I use a driver with a brush attachment, and it works quite well. For clear sumps, I'll do a final wipe with a clean microfiber cloth. Now pay attention to the channel that the O-ring sits in. There's old grease in there. We're going to take our microfiber and clean that channel. Taking these steps will maximize the life of the O-ring and ensure we have a leak-free filter housing. Similarly, we want to clean the O-ring of any old grease. Particulate is attracted to grease. That's why this step is important. Now that the O-ring is clean, we're going to apply new food-grade silicone grease. Make sure to never use anything petroleum-based. The key is to apply a consistent layer of grease along the entire O-ring surface. Now place the O-ring back into its channel. The grease will help it stay in place. Center the new cartridge in the housing and then screw it in by hand. Once hand tight, use the spanner wrench to snug it down. Do not over tighten. Now slowly crack the inlet valve open. We can minimize the amount of air that gets introduced into the plumbing by holding the pressure relief button like this. Once filled, you can open the inlet valve all the way, followed by the outlet valve. Now wipe down any remaining water and check for leaks.